नमस्कार दर्शकों, गुड आफ्टरनून। जयगांव मिरस में आपका स्वागत है। इस समय हम लोग लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं जयगांव के साहू भवन के हॉल से, और आज यहाँ पे शाइनिंग स्टार फेलिसिटेशन प्रोग्राम 12वीं के स्टूडेंट्स यानी क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आज यहाँ पे एक प्रोग्राम रखा गया है और आज उन्हें सम्मानित किया जाएगा, जिसका सीधा दृश्य आप सभी के समक्ष हम लोग साझा कर रहे हैं। पूरे यहाँ के कार्यक्रम का सीधा प्रसारण आप सभी के समक्ष हम लोग दिखाएंगे। बने रहिएगा हमारे चैनल जयगांव मिरस के साथ।
Hard work, there's so much of blood, sweat, dedication. There's everything that you put into this to reach where you are. So congratulations, feel very, very proud of yourself. So if it's okay if I speak in English, Hindi mix. So it's okay because I was told that students in Jaigaon prefer to speak in Spanish. And then on the way from Siliguri to Jaigaon, I was practicing the Despacito song, trying to impress you, but later on I realized that maybe the video was more interesting than even learning the language. But the whole point here, it's not about the Despacito, it's not about the music. Today, it's all about you. And who we have amongst us, ladies and gentlemen, today are our guest of honors and our chief guest. So please, raise your hands, put your hands together in welcoming Shri Balchand Gupta, who is our trustee member of Inspiria, and along with Mr. Balchand Gupta, we also have Mr. Shri Rakesh Pandey sir, who is a member of Parsi North Chapter of Commerce. We also have Rakesh Singh sir, who is a teaching member of St. Paul's School. Last but not the least, we have from the Jaigaon Mirror, the press, Mr. Vijay Gupta. Thank you very much for being here. I would now request Balchand ji to please our stage behind, ताकि हम आपका आदर सम्मान कर सकें. मैं फिर से दरख्वास्त करूँगा श्री बालचंद गुप्ता सर को कि वो कृपा मंच पे आए और हमारे दूसरे जो गेस्ट हैं और गेस्ट ऑनर्स हैं उनको सम्मानित करें ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ इंस्पिरिया नॉलेज कैंपस. मैं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट राकेश पांडे सर जी to please come on stage. आने के बहुत धन्यवाद सर. It's big motivation for all of you. May I please invite the teaching member of St. Dominic School, Rakesh Singh sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'd like to also invite Vijay Gupta ji for being so kind and coming to us. Vijay Gupta ji manages all advertisements, press releases, everything around in Jaigaon, and has been a very significant contributing factor to the overall development. So, बहुत धन्यवाद sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is life for us, and please sir. That is it. Sir, we do have another guest with us. एक बार आप फिर से मंच पे आएंगे. From Memphis, can I please invite Sundarji Jaiswal sir to please be on stage here and. Sundarji Jaiswal is a man of honor and he is ran across places and he's taken wherever the power of his athletic abilities to take him. So one more time, ladies and gentlemen, a great source of inspiration and motivation to all of us. I know some is it okay if I speak without the mic or mic जरूरत है? थोड़ी आवाज आ रही है? But I think I'll take the mic because my voice will not reach the end. Boys and girls, we are here just to help you, guide you, to help you understand that I know आप लोग के सबके दिलो दिमाग में अभी एक ही सवाल है और trust me, for every class 12 student यही एक सवाल आता है कि अब what after class 12? And it's the question that has always been in and out of our lives that we think. Many of you may have thought about your career paths. Many of us are still thinking maybe something. But many of us are confused. I don't know what to do because every time I look at a career option, I feel ये मेरे लिए ही बना है. And sometimes we take it on a lighter note. Some of us get very serious. इतना serious हो जाते हैं कि कभी-कभी state of depression भी आ सकता है. But no, it's not required at all. Take it easy. Life is very simple. There is scope in everything that you do. But what you need to understand and what we have been explicitly stating to our students at Inspirion Knowledge Campus is you have to love and be passionate about what you're doing. If that is there, then it is not impossible for you to achieve anything. If you're still wondering what I'm trying to tell you, you have to look at the level of excitement that you have when you do something, when you're doing something. एक एग्जाम्पल आपको देता हूँ. आप लोग को स्कूल में पढ़ते हुए 14 साल हो चुके हैं ना. किंडरगार्टन को सब मिला के, केजी को मिला के, 12वीं कक्षा तक आप पढ़ के इस लेवल पे पहुंचे हैं. But can you think about one day, boys and girls, that you woke up in the morning and you say, "Yay, मजा आएगा, आज स्कूल जाना है." Woo! See, you're thinking, right? You're trying to figure out कौन सा दिन था, कि क्या ऐसा कोई दिन था भी. So the whole idea here is maybe you were doing something. And for you doing it for over 14 years, and you're doing it every day, and you ended up calling it as life. So this is where your school life ends, boys and girls, and a new era will begin. We may have made choices, but let me also address that there may be places where आप लोग ने कुछ choices out of statistical analysis से लिए. मतलब जिन बच्चों के क्लास 10th में, आप लोग के जिनके क्लास 10th में 75 and above मार्क्स आए, आप सबने डिसाइड किया कि आपको साइंस लेना है. Not all, but in general, because that's the conditioning of the mind that told us the 75 and above means we have to get into some technical level. हम NASA ज्वाइन करेंगे, वहाँ समोसे बेचेंगे, मतलब स्प्रेड करेंगे अपना कल्चर. 60 to 65% predominantly boys decided to take up commerce. उनका करियर पाथ सेट था. उन्हें डिसाइड किया कि हमारे 70 से 65 मार्क्स आए हैं तो हम कॉमर्स करेंगे, फिर बीकॉम करेंगे और बीकॉम के बाद हम सीए करेंगे और हमारी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. And then there's another bunch of students who take up humanities. इनके वेरिएशन मार्क्स होते हैं 90 से लेके 45 तक के रेंज में. ये स्टूडेंट्स ह्यूमैनिटीज लेते हैं. And these are the students who take up humanities not because they like humanities, but because of one big fact is that with all their hearts, they hate maths. So see, now you have to think about yourself. क्या वो selection process आपका ठीक था? So go ahead, boys and girls, give it a try. सारे चीजें आपको शायद 12th में नहीं समझ में आएगा. हम उम्मीद करते हैं आप लोगों से कि आप जग जीतेंगे, पर ये भूल जाते हैं कि अभी आप छोटे बच्चे ही हैं. Because I don't know anybody can come here and talk about the political system of India right now, or somebody can talk about why are we having this bilateral relationships with other countries. How does India even earn money? It's okay, don't worry. आएगा आएगा. हम भी 85 में ऐसे थे. ये कैसे गंदे सवाल में पूछ रहा है? I understand, but the whole idea is you have to brace yourself to build up this kind of information and knowledge for your future. It's all about doing what you love. So take it easy, boys and girls. Once again, congratulations. एक बार फिर अपने लिए जोर से ताली बजाइए. Because यहाँ पे कई स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको 90 and above मिले हैं. और congratulations क्योंकि ये मेरे बड़े भाई और मेरे मार्क्स मिला के भी नहीं 90 हो रहे थे. But you अकेले ने आपने किया है, so that's a great achievement by yourself. Without further ado, we will now, on behalf of the Inspiring Knowledge Campus, take this honor to felicitate all these wonderful souls. आप लोग को देख के आमिर खान की मूवी का टाइटल याद आ रहा है. आप लोग सब अभी क्या है पता है? आमिर खान की मूवी कौन सी होगी जो appropriately आपके लिए बैठती है? पहले ही डेट हो गए. थोड़ा सा और अच्छा और पुराना. somebody said yes please. तारे जमीन पर. तारे जयगांव की जमीन पर. So congratulations all of you. Just take a 60-second breather. Take it easy. I'll be calling out the names in random, and I'll be requesting our chief guest and our guest of honors to help me felicitate. और इस बीच में अगर आपको कुछ कहना है, पूछना है, please raise your hands, feel free. The mic is yours as well, and then you can spread to everyone. Right? So once again, congratulations, and let us start the award ceremony. मैं फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा श्री बादल जी को कृपया मंच पे आए और बच्चों को ये फेलिसिटेशन अवार्ड्स पेश करें. The students can please take the stairs from the other side. The stage is all yours. Ladies and gentlemen, to start off with the award ceremony, can I please have on stage Ankit Jaiswal. Round of applause, please. Radha Pachke. Can I also please call Nidhi Jaiswal? Congratulations, Ms. Jaiswal. Can I please call Soni Sa? Can I please have Nupur Das? Congratulations, Ms. Nupur. And Miss Sonam Sherpa. Congratulations, Ms. Sherpa. To follow Sonam, can we please have on stage Nikita Rai. Congratulations, can I please have Roshni Thakur? Congratulations, Roshni. And to follow that, Miss Pooja Singh. Mr. Roshan Ali. Sampa Singha. Preeti Jha. Congratulations. Vikas Shah. Pooja Shah. We have Pooja Saha as well. Keshav Kumar Paul. Congratulations to Paul. And we also have Shehzad Atul. Congratulations. Pratima Sharma. Tanushri Sarkar. Congratulations. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आप अपना आसन ले सकते हैं. Can I please request Shri Rakesh ji, he will stage पे आए and felicitate our students on their grand achievements in their class 12. Can you please have Suraya Parveen, Sudip Sarkar, congratulations to all of you. Roshni Thakur. Roshni Thakur is here? Yes. Arnisha Tiwari. Congratulations, Dolly Kumari Singh. Priyanka Jaiswal. Karan Kumar. Muskan Prasad. Bhumi Saha. Kusum Jaiswal. Congratulations to all. Let us again have one more round of wonderful applause for all the achievers. This is a classic, memorable, happy moment for all of us. Let us enjoy, cherish, celebrate, and feel all the pride among ourselves. Can I also call upon Shriti Jaiswal, Prerna Mokhtar, Mr. Pankaj Sharma, Anish Saha. Congratulations, Anish. And Reshma Kumari Yadav. Congratulations to all achievers. Institute of Knowledge Campus is extremely proud of your achievements. God bless you. May you continue achieving such laurels and stars in your life. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद राकेश जी, आप अपना आसन ले सकते हैं. May I please invite Sundarji sir to please be on stage. Can you please have Miss Nandini Goswami? Congratulations, Nandini, and Anamika Mandal. Another star performer, Mr. Alok Bansal. Diya Guru. Kriti Pradhan, Ria Roy Sarkar, Kushal Subba, seems like Kushal is quite a popular guy in school, a lot of claps for him. Khushi Shah, Miss Priyanka Biswa, and Sanjeev Rai. These are all students of Glory Middle Secondary School. Congratulations, boys and girls. The parents' school, the fraternity, the Spirit Knowledge Campus celebrates your success. Thank you very much, Jaswant sir. You may please have your seat. May I please call upon Rakesh Pandey sir. Rakesh Singh sir, I'm so sorry sir. From the teaching member of St. Dominic School. Beg your pardon sir. A round of applause for Rakesh sir. Can I please have on stage Rajat Sharma, Nikita Jogi, Subhan Thapa, Shiva Dalvi. Congratulations to all. They are from SHMP School and Glory Middle Secondary School. Chandan Barman, Palpat Rai, Mani Thapa, Khushbu Kumari Shah, Abhishek Chaudhary, Anish Chaitri. Congratulations, Anish. Can we please have a round of applause for all the award winners? Muskan Saha, Sajia Hussain, congratulations, Sajia. I can see you have achieved 91.50%. Wow, that is some score. Pritam Pujel and Jishu Sarkar. Pritam Pujel, Jishu Sarkar. Thank you very much, Rakesh sir. Please have your seat. Boys and girls, that concludes with the award ceremony. I have taken all diligence with my classes on to read the names, but in case unintentionally, if I have skipped, forgotten unintentionally somebody's name, can I please have a raise of hands for those who are here, but the names are not called out? Can you please come on stage here, gentlemen? Both of you, I'm so sorry. You have missed probably your name. Can you please stand here so I can call out your names? Those who have missed, may please come on stage again. Apologies, because somebody printed the names in really, really small font. आपका शुभ नाम? मैं बाल शिक्षा से एक बार निवेदन करूंगा कि फिर से बच्चों को फेलिसिटेट कर दें। Sumanshu and Adarsh Kumar Giri. Ravi Singh. Priya Ray. Sreej Pradhan. Round of applause for the gentlemen and ladies for taking the award. And Miss Yukta Singhal. Congratulations to all.
सबको हमारे तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करके, इतना परिश्रम करके, क्लासरूम से पढ़ करके क्लास में आपको पास किया, इतना हाई मार्क्स लेकर के जयगांव का नाम रोशन किया। इसके लिए मैं सभी बच्चों को मैं हार्दिक दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आयोजित किया गया है, आप लोग जैसे चेयरमैन मीडिया के भी चेयरमैन लालचंद जी है, इसके लिए भी आप लोग एक बार खुशी होना चाहिए। आगे चल करके आप लोग बहुत अच्छे बनो, हम लोगों का जयगांव का नाम रोशन करो, हम लोग का नाम रोशन करो, यही आशा मैं करते हुए अपना छोटा सा वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू।
बहुत धन्यवाद सर। मैं पांडे सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप बच्चों के साथ कुछ शब्दों का शेयर करें ताकि उनकी लाइफ मार्गदर्शन मिल सके।
कहा गया है कि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। आप पंख से कोई उड़ नहीं सकता, हौसले से उड़ान होती है। तो जो बच्चे मेहनत करेंगे वो निश्चय ही आगे बढ़ेंगे। और ये हमारे जयगांव का जो धरती है वो अच्छे अच्छे बच्चों लोग को दिए हुए हैं। आज कोई इंजीनियर है, कोई डॉक्टर है, कोई अच्छे अच्छे कंपनी का सीईओ है। यहाँ जयगांव से पढ़ के कोई वीडियो बना है, कोई कुछ बना है। तो हम भी चाहेंगे कि हमारे बच्चे जो है वो देश के भविष्य है, हमारे जयगांव के भविष्य है। तो ये खूब मेहनत करें, खूब पढ़ें, खूब आगे बढ़ें। साथ ही हमारे इंस्पिरिया के मैनेजमेंट को हम धन्यवाद देंगे कि ऐसे कार्यक्रम को जगह जगह ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और यहाँ के बच्चों लोग को हम लोग को ये करते हैं। और बहुत ही सौभाग्य का बात है कि हमारे जो जयगांव स्कूल के चेयरमैन है श्री लालचंद जी और इंस्पिरिया के भी चेयरमैन लालचंद जी है, तो उनका कॉम्प्रेशन मिलता है, सपोर्ट मिलता है। और ये हम लोग के लिए गौरव का बात है कि जयगांव का डिग्री मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज सिद्दीकुल में खुला है। ये हम लोग के लिए शान का बात है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। खूब आप लोग आगे बढ़े, खूब मेहनत करें। थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पांडे सर। Thank you so much. May I please request Singh sir to share some words of wisdom with the students as well.
Well, I would first congratulate all the class 12 students Look, this is just a beginning. We have crossed the river and we are into the oceans now. And you know that in the river you will just find small creatures. But once you begin the ocean, it's really tough to survive here, isn't it? So I just want to say that work hard. Remember that someone is there behind you, and that someone may be a parent, your teacher, or the one who supports you. Keep motivating yourself and move forward. That's all I just want to say. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Singh sir. क्या मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ सुंदर जी सर आप भी आए और थोड़ा कुछ आपकी लाइफ जीवन के बारे में बच्चों में वहीं से उनका प्रोत्साहन बढ़ेगा
सभी को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ और राज्य प्रोग्राम को इसमें कॉलेज के बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ और विशेष करके बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं एक स्पोर्ट्स से हूँ तो मेरा एक ग्रुप है दलसिंह रनर्स इसमें जो क्लास 10 पास हुआ है इसमें एक साल के अंदर में 14 बॉय और फुल गर्ल्स का एक गोल्डन जॉब हुआ है मेरे क्लब से मैं जो सुबह उठकर मैं रनिंग कराता हूँ और आप लोग मूवी देखते हैं मिलन सुमन को पहचानने के लिए पहचान आपको मिलन सुमन माय गुरु मैं आपको अपना गुरु जी मानता हूँ तो मिलन सुमन तो इनका आप देख सकते हैं फिट आप लोग पढ़ाई बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और साथ साथ आपका हेल्थ फिटनेस भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और आपका शरीर फिट रहेगा तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अच्छा डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं पढ़ाई के लिए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पढ़ाई और आपका हेल्थ भी बहुत अच्छा है तो सुबह उठिए हेल्थ कीजिए रनिंग कीजिए योगा कीजिए और शरीर को फिटनेस बनाइए
सूरज जी बहुत धन्यवाद थैंक यू वेरी मच All right, boys and girls, once again, congratulations, and this is like a great moment for all of us, a proud moment, and trust me, हमारे पास अभी शब्द कम है, we are really short of words to really express how excited we feel. And now that I'm a father myself, I can sort of feel the connection that you have with your parents. It's very important now as you enter into an adult life, आप लोग 18 के हो जाएंगे, which gives you freedom, the freedom to do things which are ethical, moral, and legal, and also scientific. See, that's another thing that has been added to your lives as well. So please revitalize, revive, and regain the relationship, and enhance the relationship that you share with your parents. Because trust me, that is one unconditional love that you'll ever see. Because at your age, we're all searching for true love and unconditional love and selfless love, and we go directions and we meet people, we cross so many other people, but that one love that we've been dying to have, the unconditional one, is very difficult to find. And at the age of 50, I could discover that love in the eyes of my mother. Because when I come back home late night after a party, my wife has already sent me a text warning saying कि लाइट मत जलाना वरना मैं बहुत मारूंगी कि मेरी नींद खराब हो जाएगी मेरी बेटी भी एक टेक्स्ट मैसेज छोड़ देती है और कहती है कि सुबह 9 बजे तक I am not your daughter and my dog also says मैं दिन भर भौंक के थक गई हूँ अब रात को मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत करना and at 3 in the morning the only person who's at the balcony at 85 years old waiting for her son to come and arrive is my mother there. And I look at her and I can't even express what to say. So if you have mothers at home, please understand that that is the only place that you can find unconditional true love. Rest will all come and go. I know I might sound a bit philosophical, party time में US को किसी की बातें कर रहा है, but just to give you a head because you will become parents at some point in time in your life. हमने अभी आपको एक कुछ cards दिए हैं. उसमें एक blank page है. Why don't you take a little bit of your time to just write where do you see yourself 5 years from now? या आपका future dream क्या है? अच्छे से लिखिए, उसको अपने पास रखिए और 5 साल के बाद you can look back at that card and see did you really reach what you thought right now was the best dream for you? You can ask the people around write something. If you don't have a pen, you can borrow from the others. Please network with students from other schools as well. You can trust me, इस कमरे में आप लोगों के बीच में शायद आज से 35 से 40 साल के बाद, maybe 30 साल के बाद वेस्ट बंगाल का नेक्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर probably यहाँ बैठा हो या बैठी हो. You never know about life. So network, get to know each other, take some time. In the meantime, we'll also settle up a few things. Please write down what you really wish to see. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Kuch likhiye. Probably share with the others as well, and that could be a great achievement for all of us. Right? So take 5 minutes, and in the meantime, I would like to invite any one of you to please come here और अपने जो लाइफ का जो प्लान है वो शेयर कर सके. Anyone, don't feel shy. I know. जैसे मैंने ये बोला, आप लोगों ने मेरे से आंख मिलाना छोड़ दिया कि ये पकड़ लेगा आपको. अरे कई लोग अपने नाखून देख रहे हैं कि अरे मेरे नाखून भी है, लेकिन मेरी तरफ कोई नहीं देख रहा है because you all are scared कि ये बुला लेगा हमको स्टेज पे. But it's okay. You can come and speak anything. In fact, अगर आपके बीच समक्ष कोई ऐसा इंसान हो जो गाना अच्छा गाता हो, तो just to break the momentum and to add some good memories आज के दिन के लिए, you can come and perform here on stage as well. That's what Inspire Knowledge Campus is all about, boys and girls. We may not be the best at the moment, but our job is to bring out the best in you. So please take your time, come over, speak any language will do. English, Hindi, Bengali, and yeah, Spanish too. Anybody? In the meantime, you can write down, we are here, and we'll get back to you. Say, take about 60 seconds to do that exercise. Thank you very much. You can write anything you need help, go to us. Yes. Oh, I'm so sorry. You got a supersonic voice. Because somebody else voice from this out there. I haven't read it. Anything that comes to your mind, please think well. Because when I was given this opportunity, I was smuggler. Secret rights was Yes. Yes. I hope you have sort of thought about writing. It's okay if your ideas are not working right now. We can't force creativity. I know. Take your time. उसको लिखिए आराम से. It'll be one of your chronicles that you can keep at home and move forward with life. But as much as we have congratulated and felicitated students as well, we also would like to felicitate the parents who are here. मैं उनको पर्सनली नाम से जानता नहीं हूँ. So if your parents are here, please ask them to come here. और हमारे जो member trustee सर हैं, वो उनको खाना present करेंगे. So I see some mothers. मैडम आप आए और ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आप आ रहे हैं और उनको बच्चे को भी साथ मिलाएं. सर से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे. Round of applause. Because trust me, it is our mothers who have gone through all the trials and tribulations to reach here. Thank you so much. मैम आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम. आपको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई. Do we have any other parents? Any other guardian here? Any? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, parents, for being here. Then Jamil, we also got in, I know every time I speak to the mic, you're like, so girls are sorry. We also have brought in some small cupcakes for you, which will be kept at the exit. I know they're just cupcakes, but what makes them special is they are made by our hospitality and hotel management students. They all sat together till 3 in the morning, and I had strictly told them not to disturb until 7. So they finished it off till 3 in the morning, and then I packed it up in the car and I brought it all the way to Jaigaon, so we can relish. So these are fresh from the oven. So I hope before you leave, you can take one for yourself if one is not enough. 2, if you have 3 hands, then 3. But we'll stick to 2 at the moment, right? So anyways, thank you very much. On behalf of Eastern Knowledge Campus, I'd like to thank our chief guest, Batu Sarji. Thank you very much. Sir, thank you very much. All teachers, guest of honors, Jaiswal sir who's here. Thank you to all parents. सबको हमारा नमस्कार, बहुत सारा प्यार. आप लोग खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, व्यस्त रहो, मस्त रहो. मिलते हैं एक छोटे से प्यारे से ब्रेक के बाद. Thank you very much, boys and girls. Congratulations. God bless you all. Jai Hind.